Hi, I'm Miss Walker, the self-help expert. Want to find love without getting catfished or scammed? Discover essential tips to keep your heart and personal info safe while dating online. Tip number 1, pray to God that you don't get catfished or scammed. Tip number 2, get a FaceTime account on your Apple iPad or phone or Zoom account on your Android. You can talk to the person you're attempting to date online and see who they are. Tip number 3, according to the Bible, to avoid deceitful persons and those who mask their true intentions. My advice, I'd like men to meet me in person at grocery stores, sports bars, and restaurants. However, because you don't know them, you must remain cautious and stay safe. Bye for now. Bye. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for listening. Bye.